Oh, I heard that there was a pumpkin challenge. Here I am.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is C'Aira. I am going to be creating a recipe using pumpkin. All right guys, so the host for this challenge is SmallTownSix. The link will be down in the description box for her main channel to go and subscribe. We also are going to be putting out a playlist for this pumpkin challenge. Like I said, hosted by SmallTownSix. So if you guys can please check out everyone's video in this playlist, I would really appreciate it. The link will be down in the description box down below. So without further ado, I'm gonna be making pumpkin streusel muffins. It's one of my favorite. It's really, really good, really delicious, and I just have to have it. I just have to make it. So let's just do it. All right, so what you will need is this huge kit right here. Why do you need this huge kit? Because guess what? Everything already comes in it and with it. All you have to do is just add certain things from your home in order to make this. So let's just jump right into it. All right, guys, so from home, you're gonna need 4 large eggs, 1 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. So get out a bowl, open up the box. Let's get ready to do it. All right, so I wanted to show you guys what comes inside before just automatically jumping into making it. It comes with the bread mix. It comes with the icing that you guys will put on the pumpkin streusel muffins after they're done baking. And then it comes with a can of the Libby's pumpkin puree mix that you need. So you're gonna wanna turn your oven on to 350. And of course you want to get out your cake muffin pan. So I have a set of 12 and then I have one that just has 6. So I wanted to use orange because I'm making something pumpkin and I just wanted to make it really cute for this video. I found these at Food Lion and it was called a holiday pack and it says you can use it for any holiday. All right, you're going to want to get out your cooking spray so that you can spray the inside of these cupcake holders so that your muffins will be easy to peel from the cupcake liners. All right, like I said, you need 4 eggs. Go ahead and put those into the bowl. All right, so get out that 1 cup of water, measure it, pour it in. Then you need to also add in the 1/2 cup of the vegetable oil into it. Go ahead and mix that up. And you then can add in the Libby's canned puree of pumpkin into the large bowl. And you're just gonna mix everything all together until it's very well blended.
I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
All right, so you want to add in the bread mix that came in the bag. You just want to stir until it is moistened. So you can even, as a variation, stir in 1 cup of sweetened dried cranberries, chopped nuts, finely chopped apple or raisin with this bread mix. I just chose not to. I ended up pouring half of the bag in at a time. That way it was easy to mix. Next, what you're going to want to do is make the actual streusel part where you're going to combine 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour with 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And you want to also add in half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon in a small bowl. And you want to stir in 2 tablespoons of butter. You can either melt it or choose not to, just until it's crumbly. Use a fork. And then you're just going to sprinkle it lightly over the tops of the batter, and you'll just bake these muffins. If you choose to do large muffins, bake them 24 to 30 minutes. If you choose to do standard muffins, bake them for 21 to 24 minutes. And if you choose to do 72 mini muffins, bake for 15 to 16 minutes. It's totally up to you if you choose to fill it low, if you choose to fill it to the middle, or if you choose to fill it up to the top. Either way, it's still going to turn out great. I did halfway. That way I could use a bunch of cupcake liners, and that I could take these to work with me the next day for the teachers on Friday. So you're going to simply just sprinkle this lightly over top of the batter. No matter how much you use, it's still going to turn out great. That's what I love about having this mixture put on top of the actual batter. So your oven should be heated up by now on that 350, and you're just going to get ready to throw these bad boys in for about 21 to 24 minutes. Here you can see they came fresh out the oven. They look good. Streusel's on top. And now it's just time to use that packet of icing that's already in there for you to put icing on top of your streusels. This is definitely one of my fall favorite treats to make using this actual kit that you can get from Big Lots. So I wanted to say, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video of me making the pumpkin streusel muffins, and I hope that you guys would give this video a huge thumbs up, and be sure to go and watch the playlist. There's other women who are out here making things with pumpkin. It's a pumpkin challenge. You gotta watch it. Go watch it now. So thanks for watching. Peace.